Do you ever feel like you're doing everything right but not seeing the results you want? In this video, I will give you an overview of collagen induction and how it can help improve skin tone and texture and achieve firmer looking skin without the surgery. Because let's face it, we all want to look our best and we want to look in the mirror and see clear, firm skin staring back at us. But as we age, our skin begins to show the effects of time and sun damage. The collagen and elastin that give our skin its youthful appearance begin to break down. Hi, I am Karen, a skin therapist and corneotherapist specializing in treating and caring for the skin. I take an advanced and tailored approach, a holistic view of skincare, addressing both the internal and external factors that affect the skin. It is not a one size fits all solution, but evidence based skincare approach tailored to your individual needs. I know this works because I've applied this method for over a decade and it has served many women, with me becoming the go to skincare specialist here in Melbourne, New Zealand. Collagen induction therapy is a skincare treatment that uses tiny needles to create micro injuries in the skin. This triggers the body or the skin to produce new collagen and elastin, which in turn helps to improve the appearance of skin texture and firmness. Think of it as giving your skin a little boost, jumpstarting its collagen and elastin production. Most treatments take about 30 minutes to an hour, and you may need several sessions spaced 4 to 6 weeks apart to see optimal results. You wouldn't want to make it less than 4 weeks apart because you need to let your skin do its thing. So that means going through the wound healing stages to ensure that it's ready for your next treatment. Side effects are usually minimal, including temporary redness, swelling, and likely being pink for a few hours. But there is no downtime so that you can resume your normal activities immediately after your treatment. However, it is advised not to gym, swim, or expose your skin post treatment for at least 24 hours. You'll be surprised how lightly that this advice is taken, but compliance is key. The most common way to perform collagen induction therapy is with a handheld device that has tiny needles on the surface. These penetrate the skin and create micro injuries, which initiate growth factors at deeper levels. With the rise in popularity of mechanical CIT devices, it seems like dermal rollers have fallen out of fashion. But that doesn't mean that they are not effective. Needling pins have a vibrating needle tip and can be adjusted in length. This helps target specific areas on your face for more precise treatments. Microneedling differs from collagen induction, but the word microneedling is often used interchangeably with collagen induction. Microneedling can be performed at home with your own device, and that looks a little bit like this. You can purchase these at-home collagen induction therapy kits at your local spa or clinic, and these usually come with small handheld device that has needles on the surface. The needles range in size from a 0.2 to sometimes 3 millimeters, and I will not go into detail on this today because that's for another time. Some treatments use collagen induction with dermabrasion or hydrodermabrasion, a skin resurfacing treatment that integrates vacuum extraction and exfoliation. Do I recommend these treatments? A risky move, I think. I believe that if you combine all these treatments, it will cause more harm to the skin than good. When you create a wound healing response in the skin, because that's what we're doing with collagen induction, you do not want to add any more trauma or irritation to the skin. Microdermabrasion is quite harsh on the skin, and I do not recommend that. CIT is a series of treatments spaced out over time. The beauty about CIT, as opposed to other skin rejuvenation techniques or treatments, is that there is no heat involved in this process. So it has a different and much better wound healing response on your body's natural or your skin's natural production levels of collagen and elastin. And the other great thing about CIT is that it is for all skin types and all skin colors. So it is an excellent treatment for everyone. So, CIT can improve the appearance of your acne scars, fine lines and wrinkles, sun damage, lax skin, uneven skin texture, hyperpigmentation, and uneven skin texture. Visible results can take up to 6 weeks following the initial treatment. The skin will continue to improve for up to a year as new collagen is produced. A single treatment can provide you some improvement, but optimal results are usually achieved with 3 to 6 treatments spaced 4 to 6 weeks apart. CRT is considered a safe treatment with minimal side effects. And the most common side effect will be a little bit of skin redness and some swelling, which usually goes away within a few hours. CRT can be used on the face, the neck, the chest, hands, and the arms. It's a great way to improve the overall appearance of your skin without surgery. So, how do you prepare for a treatment? Well, you should also avoid taking blood thinning medications such as aspirin or ibuprofen for at least 1 week before the treatment. And these medications can increase the risk of bleeding and bruising. Suppose you have a history of cold sores. In that case, you may want to take an antiviral medication before the treatment to prevent an outbreak. Prepping your skin for a treatment like this is essential, no matter what procedure actually you go through, but especially before CIT. You can start using a vitamin serum at home and looking after your skin a few weeks with this before your first treatment. I recommend getting some LED light therapy in your clinic to help with cell regeneration and healing. Because when your skin is healthy, it will help with the recovery process, making your treatment that much more effective and create far better results, which is what we're all looking for in the end. For aftercare, it is important to avoid sun exposure and use sunscreen after your treatment. Your skin will be a little bit sensitive and more susceptible to sun damage. You should also avoid picking at or touching your skin because this will irritate and delay the healing process. I have to say, CIT is one of my absolute faves or favorites, and this is because I've seen so many fantastic skin transformations with this treatment. I mentioned earlier that we can improve a diverse group of skin concerns with this one treatment. I've seen everything from acne scars, sun damage, hyperpigmentation, lax skin, fine lines, and wrinkles fading away. It is an all-inclusive kind of deal, and you can put your finger on any specific area that will be improved by it because there is so much diversity in our clients' concerns when they come for help. Uneven texture and premature aging are just some examples amongst many others. In my experience, the most common concern I hear from women in their 40s is that they are aging faster than ever. They notice that their skin is thinner and the fine lines around their eyes and mouth have turned into wrinkles. One of my clients had been struggling with acne scars for years and tried every topical treatment, a chemical peel, laser treatments, you name it. She lost a lot of self confidence and did not want to leave the house without any makeup. Might sound familiar. Nothing seemed to help. She spent so much time and money, and her skin had even became more sensitive. So you can imagine how she felt and how apprehensive she was when she came to see me for the first time. So we did a full consultation and talked about her concerns, what she had tried in the past, and I explained to her how CIT works and what to expect and what was expected of her during and after the treatment. Her skin preparation was vital, and we ensured that her skin was in the best possible condition before starting the treatments. This means working on rebuilding the skin's health from the outside in first, and the inside out. So, repairing the skin barrier, the epidermis, and then the inside out, the inner health of the skin to get the maximum results with every session. Well, I'm happy to report that she was thrilled with her results. Her scarring is noticeably improved and her skin looks healthier overall. And she has made such tremendous progress. Her confidence has increased tenfold. She now comes in for maintenance treatments every few months and no longer needs or wants to wear makeup. CIT is one of my go to treatments, and I cannot recommend it enough. So, if you're looking for a way to slow down the signs of aging or improve your scarring, or you just want to get that dewy, glowy skin back, CRT might just be the treatment for you. So, schedule your appointment today and let me help you achieve your skin goals. Any questions, just DM me or touch base with me.